If you've ever wanted to start an online business but felt like it was too complicated, the good news is you don't need a laptop, coding skills, or weeks of setup anymore. With Wi-Fi Cashbot, you can literally run your entire affiliate business straight from your phone. Here's how it works in simple terms. Instead of creating products, building funnels, or writing long emails, Wi-Fi Cashbot gives you a ready-made system. It's cloud-based, so you just log in from your phone and everything you need is already waiting for you. The platform comes with done-for-you landing pages, preloaded affiliate offers, and even AI engine that works in the background to drive traffic for you. That means no sitting for hours figuring out ads, designing websites, and no writing endless content. All the technical parts that usually stop beginners are already handled. You just focus on turning on the system and letting it do the heavy lifting while you track your results right from your phone. It's perfect if you're busy, on the go, or just want a side hustle that doesn't eat up all your time. You can check stats, see commissions, and even scale things up whenever you want, all from the palm of your hand. So if you're ready to start an affiliate business the easy way, tap the link in my description and sign up for Wi-Fi Cashbot today. This could be the simplest way to launch your online income without the usual stress.